Hello my dear students, welcome to my YouTube channel DVJG. This is class 10 ICC Mathematics. We are about to start reflection. Today's session we are going to start new chapter, chapter 12, reflections. And before going to start these sessions, if you are new to these channels, please subscribe, like, comment and share with your friend. For new updates, please bell icon button. If you want to see this video, please press I button and go to the playlist. Okay, now let me start today. This is the reflection. It is a very easiest chapter. Okay, reflection means suppose our object is placed in front of the mirror, then exactly the same distance the image is formed behind the mirror. Okay, now in our coordinates, remember x-axis, y-axis is assumed as mirror. Okay, we are assumed as mirror. That means okay, when our object is replaced through x-axis, then where is image form? When object is replaced through y-axis, where is image form? When object is replaced through origin, we will discuss one by one. Okay, and the reflection is the coordinate of image. So now today's session we are going to learn how to find the coordinate of image when it is replaced through the coordinate axis. Okay. Now first learn what is coordinate. Okay, it is a 2D figure. The y-axis, x-axis is there, and two-dimensional figure is there. Okay, and this is the origin. Origin is indicated by O. Then this is horizontal line is called x-axis. Then from origin towards right is positive axis, x-axis. Then origin towards left is negative, and it is indicated by x dash. Then this vertical line is y-axis. Above this origin, positive y-axis, and this is represented by y dash. Below this line, negative y-axis, it is represented by y dash. Okay, positive is represented by y and negative is represented by y dash. And the point, okay, writing the point in terms of x and y is called coordinate. Suppose the coordinate, when you write the point x, y together, y putting comma in between is called coordinate. Then remember, while you writing the value of x and y, always write the value of x first, then y. Suppose x is 2, then y is minus 3. This way we have to write the coordinates. Okay. Then there are 4 quadrants: first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. Then what is the sign of coordinate? We will learn first. Okay. And the sign of coordinate in first quadrant. Okay. First quadrant, the sign of coordinates is both positive. Okay. Positive, because this is positive x-axis and positive y-axis, and this coordinate from within this the positive axis. That's why this coordinate of this quadrant is positive. X, y both positive. Okay. Then the coordinate, sign of coordinate in this second, because this is negative x-axis and this one is positive y-axis. Negative x-axis, positive y-axis. That's why the coordinate of x is negative here, then y positive. Okay, that means the coordinate in second quadrant is minus x plus y. Remember, this is very important to write the coordinate of image. Okay. Then third quadrant. The third quadrant means the region between the negative axis. X-axis negative, y-axis negative. Then both the axis is negative. That means coordinate is x minus y. Okay. This quadrant is between the third quadrant. This is second quadrant. Second quadrant between x is negative and y is positive. X negative, y positive. In the third quadrant, this is third quadrant. In third quadrant, both the axes are negative. That's why x negative x-axis, y negative y-axis. Now fourth quadrant. And the fourth quadrant, x is positive and y is negative. That means coordinate in fourth quadrant is x positive, y negative. Okay. Please remember that this image, okay? While you writing the coordinate of image, it helps to write the answer very fast. Otherwise, you have to draw the graph every times, then plot the points, then find the image. That takes lots of times. To save your times, please remember the sign of coordinate in each coordinate. First coordinate both positive, second coordinate x negative y positive, third coordinate both negative, fourth coordinate x positive y negative. Okay, this way you have to please put in your mind the image of this coordinate, and it helps you write the answers shortly. Okay, otherwise it takes long time to draw the graph and again for each question to get the coordinate. Now we'll discuss how to find the image of how to find the coordinate of the image when it's reflected through the axis. Okay, now let's learn one by one. And remember, when writing the coordinate, always write the value of x cos and for y value of y putting comma in between. Okay. Now, number one, when reflection through x axis, and remember, sometimes they, in case of x axis, they also say y equals to 0. Don't get confused. Okay, x axis means y equals to 0. If questions are asked to write, find the coordinate of image reflection through y equals to 0, means remember that questions saying x axis. Okay, x axis. Now, this is x axis, and this one is y axis. This is their origin. Okay, and if questions are asked to find the image of coordinate, okay, suppose the coordinate of the image will be reflected through x-axis. Suppose one object is here, then coordinate of this object is minus x plus y, because in this coordinate the x is minus, y is plus. Okay, then reflection through x-axis. Okay, questions are to find the coordinate of image when it reflects through x-axis. Okay, x-axis is this line, and remember, this line is your mirror. Okay, this line is your mirror. If this is the mirror, okay. Okay, this is the mirror. Now, this is the object, and this is the mirror. And this line, because question asked to find the reflection through x-axis or y equals to 0. X-axis means this horizontal line is x-axis. This is x-axis. When this object reflects through this mirror, okay, this is the mirror. Okay, x-axis is a mirror. Reflection through x-axis means this is mirror. Mirror. Now this is the mirror. When this object reflects through this mirror, where it is, where the image is formed, when this object reflects through this mirror, where the image is formed. Just today, try at your home. Just stand in front of your mirror and try to find the distance of image. Okay, where your image is forming when you stand in front of mirror. According to the plane mirror law of plane mirror, where the object is placed at exactly same distance, image is formed behind the mirror. Okay, exactly same distance, image is formed behind the mirror. Then x-axis is written there. X-axis means this axis is the mirror. Okay, this axis is the mirror. Then you are standing in front of the mirror. Then where your image formed? Your image is formed at the same distance, opposite side of the mirror, behind the mirror. Then the image is always marked by a prime or a dash. Then coordinate in this fourth coordinate. How to write the coordinate? Coordinate in fourth coordinate is minus x minus y. Because numbers remain same, but they are changed by the sign. Okay, they are changed by. Now this way we have to find the image when it's reflected through x In this case, suppose in this case x is a, then y is minus b. Okay. Then question asks to find the coordinate of image when reflect through x-axis. Now x-axis is your mirror. Now this axis is your mirror. Then object is placed here in front of the mirror, and at the same distance image is formed behind the mirror. Okay. At the same distance image is formed behind the mirror. That means image is formed somewhere here, b dash. Then in first quadrant, the sign of coordinate is a, b. Both are positive. This way we have to find the coordinate of the image, and this is very important. And you will try yourself by standing in front of the mirror and try to find at what distance your image is formed. Now, next is there. Okay, second is there. I think you got the idea how to get the coordinate of image when it's reflected through x-axis or y equals to 0. This is a very important point. Okay, y equals to 0 means x-axis. Okay, this is the problem. Okay, now reflection through x-axis we learn. Now next, reflection through y-axis. Okay, now reflection through y-axis. Y-axis, reflection through y-axis. Sometimes they say in case of y-axis and right-axis equals to 0. Okay, this is a very important point. Now the same. Now in this case, now mirror change to y-axis. That means this vertical line is the mirror. Okay. X-axis means this horizontal line is the mirror. Y-axis means this vertical line is the mirror. Okay. This is the vertical line is the mirror. Now suppose this is the object, then mirror is here. Then when the image of this object form when reflected through this vertical mirror. Okay. Now this is the mirror. Okay. This is the mirror. Now tell me reflection through y-axis. That means where the image form when this object reflection through this vertical mirror. Y-axis means the vertical line is the mirror now. Okay. Then if the mirror is this one, then object is here, just behind this mirror, just opposite to this object image is formed at the same distance. That means somewhere here, then a dash. And what is the coordinate in first quadrant? The sign of coordinate in first quadrant is both positive, x, y. I think you got the idea. Then suppose this is the b. Then same way, reflection through y-axis, reflection through y-axis, reflection through y-axis. Now mirror is this side. Okay, mirror is this side. That means this object is reflected this side. Okay, the image is formed behind the mirror. Mirror is this side. Remember, this is not the mirror. This vertical line is the mirror. Then object is here. That means this when this reflected through this mirror, then this image is formed behind at the same distance behind this mirror. That means in the fourth quadrant. Okay. Remember, this vertical line is mirror and object is here. If we stand in front of mirror, then your image is formed just behind the mirror, opposite side of the mirror. That means here, and it is indicated by b dash. Then in the fourth coordinate, the sign of coordinate is both negative. Then minus a, minus b. This way, you have to find the coordinate of image. Okay, and you got the idea. Now third is there. Now that means reflection through origin. Okay, reflection through origin. Now reflection through origin. Now reflection through origin. Reflection through origin means 0, 0. Okay, if the reflection through origin, in case of origin, sometimes they will ask through 0, 0. Okay. Now because coordinate of this origin is 0, 0. Now let's do. Now origin. Now look at here. This is different from the x-axis and y-axis. Reflection when reflection through origin. Now this is the third one. Okay. When reflection through origin means when when you listen to this corner, origin is here. Okay, mirror is placed at this point. Okay, and the mirror is placed at this point. The image is from behind this mirror. That means in fourth quadrant. Remember, you have to look like this. Okay. Now you are standing here. That means this A is represent yourself, and you are looking at this corner. Okay, mirror is placed at this mirror. The mirror is here at the origin. Then if you look at this through mirror, then your image is from just behind this mirror. That means you can draw the line. Image is always from straight line. That means it is formed in the fourth quadrant. Then you can write the image is represented by A dash. Then in fourth quadrant, what is the coordinate? X minus y. This way you have to find the relation to origin. Origin means mirror is placed at these intersecting points. And remember, you have to look straight. Okay, image is always formed in straight line. Now same way. Now B is here. Suppose this is the coordinate of B. Then if this B is reflected to origin, that means mirror is at the center. Then you can draw the line. And same way, behind this mirror image is formed. Okay, behind this mirror image is formed. That means in fourth quadrant, and this is indicated by B dash. Then what is the coordinate of B dash here? Is AB. Okay, this way we have to find the coordinate of image when it's reflected to x-axis. X-axis means y0. When it's reflected y-axis, y-axis means x0. And this is third one when it's reflected to origin or 0, 0. Then there is one more topic is there, invariant point. Invariant point means that points when it reflects through any axis, it remains the same, means that is invariant point. Suppose this is the mirror, okay, and the point is here. The one coordinate is here. Suppose this is y-axis, that means axis 0, A is there. Now this is y-axis and this is x-axis. Okay, now when this is invariant point, remember invariant point means that points after finding the image the coordinates remain the same. Okay, suppose this is y-axis, then the point is on this axis. Okay, this coordinate point is on this axis. If it is reflects through the same axis, if it is reflects through the y-axis, then the image coordinates remain same. Okay, if it is reflects through the y-axis, just like if you put the dot on the mirror, if you put the dot on the mirror, the image is formed just there. Okay, same the point the image is formed. That's why if the dot is over the mirror, okay, so suppose y-axis is the mirror, then you put the dot there, that means the image is formed at that point only. That's why coordinates remain same. But if you replace through y, if it is replaced through x-axis, this is x-axis. If it is replaced through x-axis, then it goes somewhere here. Then its coordinate is minus a. Then its coordinates is changed. Okay, coordinates change. That means if the point is there, suppose the point is here, and this is minus b comma 0, then it is replaced to the point is on x-axis. Then again it's reflected to x-axis. That means its coordinate of images remain same. Okay, the point on x-axis. Okay, this is x-axis, and if it is reflected through the same x-axis, then its image does not change. Its image is remain there. That's why the coordinate of image is same. That's why this point is called invariant point. When this is invariant, when it's reflected through the same axis, the point on the y-axis, if it is reflected through the y-axis, then this point coordinate is remain same for the image. That's why it's called invariant point. And remember, origin is the invariant point for all the coordinate. Okay, origin is the invariant point. Okay, origin is the invariant point for any reflection through any axis. I think you got the idea. If there is a point on the x-axis or y-axis, suppose if there is a point on x-axis and it is reflected through the same axis, x-axis, then that image is remain there, and that point coordinate of the point is again the same. That point is called invariant point, and 0, 0 is the invariant point for all the conditions. Okay, I think you got the idea how to get the coordinate of the image when it is reflected to the different conditions. Okay, please go through this video. This is the basic concept. If you got this point, then you can do easily all those questions, and this is a very easy questions. And to get the correct figure, please use the graph paper. Okay, we'll meet in next video. We'll continue in the next video. Till then, take care and go through this video and try to solve all the questions from your textbook.